through the eyes of a traveler. Hello world, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you some waterfalls that are hidden from public view unless you know of them. But before I start, let's say hello and goodbye to my steed. So let's begin. This is known as Gulpur Waterfalls. There's 3 in total. I can't get all 3 in one picture, but I will try to shoot my drone in such a way that you get all 3. And this is the first one. Gulpur Waterfalls. There's actually 3. 1, 2, and there's one further along, but I can't actually get it behind the trees. So I've taken an elevated position. Let me show you close-ups. So that's number 1, and that's number 2. So that shows the 2 that are well known. I've taken some drone footage, but unfortunately my drone controller has lost its power. So whilst it's charging, I'm taking this. But if you look up, well, if I show you, the clouds are brewing some concoction which is going to make me very wet. So I need to be back on my way. So this is number 3, this is number 2, and wait for it. In the distance you can see the first one. I'll do a close-up in a short while, but that's number 1. 1, 2, 3. And right at the bottom of the screen you might even see 3.5. This is a close-up of number 1. There is a rugged beauty to this nature, and I think that's what I got lost in when I was recording the drone footage. The waterfalls are obviously beautiful, but the rugged beauty has its own natural charm. Gulpur Waterfall number 3. So from 1 to 3, I've made a big jump. Should I include 2? Of course I will. Just be a little patient. Wait for it, wait for it. There you have it, number 2. So that's 3 at the bottom and number 2 at the top, and number 1 is way above. But I've included that, so you've seen all 3 now. I think it's time for me to get ready to get on my way. So I hope you enjoyed my little footage of Gulpur Waterfalls. Please do endeavour to go out there near Kotli in Gulpur and enjoy these waterfalls, because they are a wonderment, a true beauty, natural beauty that should be enjoyed by everyone. Please do consider subscribing, liking, and drop a comment. I promise I will respond. Until next time, take care.